So hey, what's up guys, and in this video I'm gonna show you the Resurrection Remix, the latest update, and this is the official ROM right now. Now finally the Resurrection Remix unofficial developer or unofficial maintainer has finally make it official for our device. So thanks to Karthik KM, the official maintainer of this ROM. So I will tell you what has changed in the official and what has not changed. So let's get started with this video. Now first of all, this ROM is as same as there's no change of course, because no change in sources, nothing else. There are some improvements, some bugs fixes, and some other stuff. Now the launcher is not included in this ROM. The default launcher is the Lineage OS launcher, which is very I don't like it, so I'm just using the launcher, which is very nice to use. And the best thing about this ROM, it's one of the fastest, one of the smoothest ROM you can ever find on the any ROM community. So if you have any device which supports or if the Resurrection Remix is available for your device, you can have this ROM and you can enjoy the experience of the smoothness, the butter smoothness on your phone. Now talking about the ROM on the Redmi 2, this ROM works very nice, and I'm pretty liking it, and the performance is so far very good, and the gaming performance is very good here. There's no lags here right now. Very mediocre games I'm playing right now. So I always say I play games to test a ROM, because only games can tell something how the ROM battery is going to perform when you do some intensive tasks, and gaming is one of the intensive tasks for our device. So yeah, this device holds the battery very well, and I played some games, so yeah, pretty satisfied with this ROM, and probably you also. And this ROM is not pre-rooted, so you have to root the ROM with the Magisk if you want to. And also this ROM supports the OTA updates, so I'm going to show you. It supports the OTA updates, which is very nice to see. Thanks to developer, you can see it supports the OTA updates. So yeah, you can finally update your ROM directly from the updater app, which is very nice. And yeah, so the final thing is that there's no change in the ROM. You can use this ROM as a daily driver, no issue with this ROM. But yeah, there's one thing I have to mention it. There's some problem with the security. There's maybe security flaw in this ROM, and maybe you should not do any banking and stuff with this ROM, because there are some issues. Maybe I'm not clear with that. So yeah, but yeah, still, besides everything, this ROM is top notch to use. Can be used as a daily driver. For this ROM, I will give a thumbs up. Go ahead, install this ROM, and enjoy the experience of the Resurrection Remix. Thanks for watching.